Hi folks, how is everybody doing tonight? A recent study has found that women who carry a little extra weight live longer than the men who mention it. I asked my wife to embrace her mistakes. She gave me a hug. I asked my wife what she wanted for Christmas. She told me nothing would make her happier than a diamond necklace. So I bought her nothing. I got a new car for my wife. It was a terrific trade. I told my niece that I saw a deer on my way to work this morning. She said, "How do you know he was on his way to work?" All right, folks, my time is up. Thank you for being here. I will see you right here when I come back next time. Good night.